this video. So today we are going to discuss about the AAVAS finance shares, and let us go into the business first and then jump into the fundamentals and end up with the technical analysis. So first, let us discuss about what is AAVAS finance and what they are doing. So first is that AAVAS finance is a NBFC company, I can say. So they are going to give the finance for the home loans, but you should understand that their customers or their clients are in the high risk category, who are not having their regular income. For examples, if you have job, then you are categorized into the regular income stream. So you had one good job, so you can get interest rates or EMI rates very cheaper than others. If they don't have the job, then automatically they will be charged very high interest rates and very high EMIs or whatever it is. So this is the prospect of their business. So Avas Finance main clients are those who are not having regular income, or who are below average class people, or the medium category of people. So they are going to be, this is going to be somewhat risky for the Avas Finance, but their client base is automatically had their main clients are the people who are don't have the properties or whatever it is. So I can say it is a high risk category business. They will give loans to the people who are not into the uh, regular income streams. They don't have jobs. I can say they are daily laborers, or people who are don't have jobs. They morely depend upon the small businesses and making money. So they give to them, and they will be charging somewhere around 15 to 18% of interest, 18 to 19% of interest, and then they will get their income, their interest rates to the bank. So this is their business. Is there growth prospect? Yes, there is a growth prospect. The we know as we know the housing loans has been increasing from the last few years, and it will be going to increase for the next 5 years. But unfortunately, the interest rates hikes was also depend. Some people, the RBI government has decided to increase the interest rates. Then some people don't want to start with a higher interest rate. They will wait some more time, and they will but finally they will take the EMI or loans, whatever it is, when they want to build a building, or when they want to start a business. So you should understand this. This is a somewhat risky business, risky than investing in very good stocks like HDFC Bank or Kotak Mahindra Bank. I also invested in them, but I also invested in Avas Finance, and I am sitting in a good profits, about 6 to 7%, and I will be keeping the image of that here. You can see here I had made already 6% of profit. I am not invested in a bulk mode. I am investing in a SIP mode, like systematically I was investing. If the stock was growing, then also I am keeping money. If the stock is falling, then I also am keeping money. So lump sum amount will not make sense for me. When I put lump sum money, and if the stock falls again, I will be regretting it. So that's why I'm not buying in the lump sum. I will be investing in the SIP mode. Now also, yesterday or day before yesterday also, I found I was invested in the stock of some more money. I had booked profits in some other stocks, and I converted some money into the Avas Finance and the asset management company. So I will be doing separate video about the asset management companies. You can see that video. So for that, please share, subscribe to this channel, so that you can get notifications when we are going to keep a video. So this is about all the business prospect. Their business growth is good, but this is about the restrictions that has given by the RBI government. But interest rates may hike, but after ending for 1 to 2 years, after settling of all things, then the interest will automatically come down. So Avas Finance is a mid-risk stock, I can say. The Kotak and HDFC as of now is the safest bets that you can put in. As I am saying once again, I am not a SEBI registered person. I am not giving any advice to anyone. I already invested in this stock. I am sharing my perspective. That's it for now. I also done this video in my regional language, Telugu. You can check it out. I will be keeping the link below in the description. So if you know Telugu, then you go and type that button, and you can move to the Avas Finance. I already done a video there, but today I am going to doing this video on Avas Finance. So today is 14th July. It's 14th July, and it was already jumped 3%. Is it overvalued as of now? Absolutely not. It is not overvalued at all. It means it has some more potential to grow, about 15 to 20%. There is remaining. I will be showing you the technical analysis, then you can understand how much is there is the potential to gain in this company. So as I said, this is a housing finance, and they give to the semi-urban and rural people who are not salaried persons. That's it. As well, the market cap is, it's a small cap, and the P ratio is 28. Okay, ROE, you should check. It is a finance, so you should check the ROE, that is 14.1%. The quarter sales was increased, the quarter profits also increased. The promoters holdings was 39%. Debt to the equity, and you should not consider the debt to equity because it's a finance. We will not consider the debt to equity in the finance or banking sectors, because they will take loans from the other people and giving it to the people who are from the semi-urban or urban rural villages, who are middle income segment streams. Okay, that's why we are not going to check the debt to equity in the finance and banking sectors. The industry P is 17.5. It's a much higher, but AAVAS finance has some more risk for that. As I am saying, I know this there is a potential growth. I will show you in the technical analysis, and see this the after 3 years it boomed up about 3020, and it came back to somewhere around 15,000, half of the price. So it was around 28.8% as of now. We should going to see this this quarter results, and then we are going to decide what should be my next approach. As the company has delivered a profit growth of 35.8 CAGR in the last 5 years, this is a very promising note for me. And the median sales growth was 43.8% for the last 10 years. The 3.77 times, it's not my reporting repeated profits. I'm not a big fan of dividend, as I said, because they had the plans to expand their business, expand their branches throughout the India. So that's why they are not concentrating on the dividends. They don't want to give the dividends, so that they can expand throughout in Telangana or in a small village. Like in my town, there is no AAVAS finance. In my I didn't see anywhere the AAVAS finance. So there is a they have the penetration. They want to penetrate into the people, so that they can gain more profits, and finally they can give you the most payout in the dividends. And a company has a low return of equity. It's all over again, the same problem with all finances businesses, but I'm not considering this as all the problems. The problem is that, as I said, they are giving to the middle income people. Their clients are middle income segments. So if they are paying in a good amount, they are paying back the money, then the AAVAS finance will be getting back to the whatever price it is, about 3,200. If there is a problem in paying the taxes from the people who are in the middle segment people, then it will be going to create a problem. So see here, the HDFC is not there, it was merged, so it is about 4th place. It's not a market leader, but I can say it's been a good company so far. And the quarterly results, you can see, let me show you the profit and loss statement, and then we go to the quarterly results. See, from the 2012 it was started in 2013, and past years it was growing consistent growth. So 1854, 104, 195, 305, it's been a consistent growth. There is nothing grown significantly better, or it wasn't so bad. So the interest and the expenses are also good. The financial profit was increasing from 310, 30, 51, 90, 139, 266. It was been a very great journey for the AAVAS finance so far, and the financial margin also increasing. The profit financial margin also increasing. So the other income streams, it's a 2 crores, it's nothing more. Then the depreciation assets is 229. Profit before tax is 549. They paid good amount of taxes in the past few years, and they are sitting in the very good profits of 430 crores as of now. So in the quarterly results also, let us compare 2023 to 2022 March. 365, 452, yes, it is good. Interest rates 124, 165. Expenses is 88, 118 crores, and the profit is grown from 115 to 167. After tax also, it was giving me about 10 crores of profits. So I can say there is significant growth in the profits. In the profits, you sometimes you can see a significant growth after 1 year, then they will collapse. So here they are build the basement very strong. So that's why I think maybe this is a very positive thing when you are looking into the AAVAS finance. So the balance sheet looks nice. I can say the borrowings more because it's a financial company. And we are seeing, yeah, it's a borrowings was more. Yes, it will be more when it is a banking or finance sectors. And the share capital is good, and reserves was 3,191 crores, and the balance sheet is looking very good as of now. The ROE was also increasing from, day by day from the latest view standalone, because from 7, 15, 24, 21, from the last about 4 to 5 years it was increasing. I think it will be going to increase because of, um, my gut feeling is that if they are penetrating, then automatically the ROE will be increased. So the promoters holding was decreasing consistently because their reasons, they have their reasons. And FIS and DIS decreased, but only 1% decreased, but DIS are bought about 3%. So this is a good sign for us. For the people of DIS are already showing their belief in AAVAS finance, and that's why they are increasing their stake. See, the public holding is 9.53. It was in 2020, which is 9.44 and 9.86, 9.57. From the 2021, it was dropped dramatically, and it gave about 11% of money. So see here, what is the potential to growth. So the fundamentals are very good for this stock as of now, but as I am saying, the company is giving money to the middle income segment, so that's why it is a mid risk stock. I am saying again, it is a mid risk stock. If you don't want to invest in a mid risk stock, then go and invest in some other stocks. As I am saying, I am not a SEBI registered person. I am only putting my view on the YouTube. That's it. I am not a SEBI registered person, as I said. And let us go into the technical targets. So see here, it's already it formed a channel from first and second, it came down, and it was again started to going up. But what I'm thinking is, the profits was absolutely good. From the last few years, the already it was increased. So see here, so what is the profit that I can assume is that from here to, if it is getting back to the higher, then I will be getting 100% of my returns. If not in the short term, then I will be getting about 32% of my money. So is I'm going to keep it long term? Yes, absolutely, I'm going to keep it for long term, because I'm getting 100% of gains. If it takes 3 years, okay, it is okay for me to giving me 100% of profit. Yeah, I think it may take some time, it may take 1 year, or it may take 2 years, but the money it was giving for me is giving me satisfaction. So that's why I'm going to gain about 99% profit in the next few years. And one more thing is that, as of now, I was sitting at a very good profit of 7% in the last one month of month. But I think somewhere I was invested somewhere here. As I said, I'm consistently doing SIPs. That's why you can't see when I was invested. As this is a mid stock, will be insisting to make some profit somewhere around here. Again, not I will be doing partially, not I will be drop all my money, drop all my stocks. I will be booking my partial profits somewhere starting from here to here. I had already invested in SIP mode. I had invested some X amount of money, and I'm sitting at a good profit from the last 1 month to 1.5 months. So yeah, that's it about it. So I want to mention it, we are in the bull run. So maybe whatever it takes, if the good news comes, then AAVAS will be booming up, as it is a mid cap and small cap company. So that's it for today. Thank you. Have a great day.